I always dreamed of exploring new places. One evening, I sat down with a map and a cup of tea. My fingers traced over different countries. Finally, I decided I was going to travel to Italy, the land of history, art, and amazing food. Packing was exciting. I packed my camera, clothes, and a travel journal. I was ready for an adventure. I couldn't wait to see the Colosseum, the canals of Venice, and the rolling hills of Tuscany. The day of the flight arrived. I felt a mix of nerves and excitement. As the plane took off, I looked down at the city below. A new chapter was beginning. My first stop was Rome. The city was alive with history at every corner. I stood in awe before the Colosseum, imagining the ancient games. The aroma of fresh pizza and gelato filled the air. In Venice, I explored the canals. Each turn brought a new discovery. I rode a gondola, watching the sunset over the water. It was like living in a painting. Tuscany was a breath of fresh air. I walked through vineyards and tasted the local wine. The rolling hills and the golden light of the sunsets were mesmerizing. All journeys have an end. As I waited for my flight home, I felt different. I had seen incredible places and met amazing people. My travel journey was over, but the memories would stay with me forever.